morning, children. So today I'm going to take a new lesson, Unit 6, the first flight. So this lesson is the story about owls. Do you know who are owls? Yes, owls have very big eyes. They can turn their head round. They can move their eyes in all directions. Then the young ones of owls. Do you know what is called the young ones of the owls? It is called the owlets. Okay, and owls always wake up at night and sleep in the morning. And do you know how do they cry, children? They make a sound called hoot. This is how they cry. Hoot, hoot. Like that they will cry. So this is about owls. So here we are going to learn about the story of a family, owl family. Okay, so let's look at this picture. What do you see in the picture, children? Yes, you can see there are 5 owls. Right? Yes. 2 big owls and 3 small owls. You can see there. Right? Yes. So who will be the big owls? Yes, they may be most probably mother and father. And the 3 small owlets. They are the children. The young one of the owl is called owlets. So this is what you can see from the picture. Now let's read, children. An owl family lived on a big tree. A father owl, a mother owl, and 3 baby owls. The babies were very young. They couldn't fly. So an owl family was living on a big tree. A father owl, mother owl, and 3 baby owls were living on a big tree. And the babies were small. They were very small, and they could not fly also. So what was the sound made by the owls? Yes, it is hoot. Hoot, hoot. They will cry like that. Now next, let's see the next picture. What do you see in the picture? How many owls you can see in the picture? Yes, you can see 5 owls in the picture. And yes, what time it is? Yes, it is night time, right? You can see a moon over there. So it is night time. And you can see that the 2 owls are sitting on the tree and the other owls are flying. Right? You can see from the picture. So let's see what happened. Children, get ready. It is night time. So during the night time only the owl will wake up and they will search for food and all. Okay. So the father and mother owls are saying to the children, get ready. The moon has come up. Today is our first day out. So we are going out today. Today is our first day out. Father owl said to the babies. 2 baby owls flapped their wings and rose up. So among the 3, 2 baby owls was ready for flying. But the 3rd one sat still. The 3rd one didn't do anything. It was sitting over there itself. Rowley, that was the name of the 3rd owlet. Rowley, what happened, my dear? So mother is asking, Rowley, what happened? Come, let's fly out with father, mother said. So mother is saying that, what happened to you? Why you are not flying? We can go with father. Come on. So mother was saying to that owlet, Mother, I can't see anything. It is dark. Rowley, the owlet said. So what did Rowley say? It is very dark. I can't see anything. but the other owlets and other owls and all can see at the night time clearly, but this owlet cannot see anything. So why couldn't Rowley go out? Because she cannot see anything. It was completely dark. So let's look at the next picture. Yes, who is sitting on the branch of the tree? Yes, it's the owlet. Rowley is sitting on the branch of the tree. Why she is sad? Oh, children, can you tell me why she is sad? Yes, because she is not able to see anything at night. While the other owls can see, she is not able to see. So she is feeling very sad. So let's read. Rowley, we are owls. We can see at night. Come on, just try, dear, mother said. So mother is saying that we are owls, we can see only at night. So come on, let's try. You just try. You will be able to see. Don't worry, my dear, the mother is saying. But mother, I can't even see you clearly. Even she cannot see her mother clearly. I can only hear your voice. Rowley sobbed. Rowley was crying. Rowley was crying and saying, I can't see you clearly, mother. I can only hear your voice. Don't cry, my little one. You will be okay. Stay here. I will bring you food. Saying this, Mother Owl flew away. So Mother Owl want to go out because to get some food for the children. So Mother Owl said that you remain here. You don't go anywhere. I will go and bring some food for you. Rowley was alone. That is what you can see from the picture. She was sitting alone on the tree. Slowly, Rowley slipped into a sound sleep. Then usually owls do not sleep at night. They will sleep only in the daytime, in the morning. But here, what happened? Rowley slept. She slept with a sound sleep. Sound sleep means she slept peacefully. So where is Rowley's mother going, children? Yes, she flew away to bring some food for Rowley, right? Yes. Why didn't Rowley go with her parents? Yes, Rowley didn't go with her parents because she cannot see anything. It was completely dark for her. And when will Rowley's parents come back? They will come back soon with the food. And the mother will come back with the food for Rowley. Now, next look at the next picture. Yes, what can you see? What time it is? Yes, it is the morning time. And you can see that the four owls are sleeping. And Rowley is inside the hole of the tree. So let's look, children. The day broke. Rowley woke up. So when it was day, as another birds, the Rowley woke up. Food. Rowley started eating the food. She was eating the food which her mother kept for her. Bright sunlight was peeping into the nest. Father, mother and my sisters are sleeping. They all are sleeping there. They can see at night. They can fly out. But I can't. What is wrong with me? Rowley thought. So Rowley is thinking, what is wrong with me? Why I cannot fly? I cannot fly and I cannot see during the night time. What has happened to me? So is there anything wrong with me? Rowley was thinking. Rowley slowly came out of the nest. You can see that Rowley is coming out of the nest while the other owls are sleeping on the branch of the tree. Now let's look the next picture. Yes, you can see that Rowley is ready to fly, ready for the first flight. She is ready for the flight. What is the meaning of flight, children? To fly for the first time. Wow, what a bright light. She could see everything clearly. So she is telling that it was a bright light. Rowley blinked her eyes, closed her eyes. Blinked means closed and opened her eyes. I can see everything, the green trees, the yellow flowers, the white clouds, the blue sky. So she could see everything. She flapped her wings. Mother, I can see now, but mother is sleeping. Yes, so she's saying that, Mother, I can see now. I am ready. I am ready to fly. Rowley stretched out her wings. I can fly. Shall I go for my first flight? She cried in joy. Rowley flew up. So she is going for her first flight. She is going to fly for the first time. Now where she is going, we will see in the next class, children. So hope you have understood this. Bye, children.